Hey there, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you hyperlinking. I think it's only called linking now. It's not really called hyperlinking as it was in the past. And all it really does is you're creating a link similar to what you see in web browsers to take you somewhere else. All right, so let me show you an example. The sheet I have, or the workbook I have on the right, I've saved somewhere on my computer. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. I'm going to get rid of it. And let's open this one. Now what I want to do is I may have 10 of those files, right? But I don't want to have to go and find them every time. So I can create like sort of like a dashboard where that file could be. So I can go ahead and say click here to open file, okay? Because I could reference it in this document somewhat. So I can go to insert here to the right. I can go to, where is it? Links. Okay, and there's two kind of main links that you can do. Linking to another file and then linking to maybe a website. Okay, so those are the two that I use. I'm sure there's more, but that's really just what I use. Now you can use this to navigate for that file, but I actually tend to find this a bit annoying. So what I do is I just click on this button right here for browse for file. And this is the one I'm usually used to. So if I go to downloads, I look for that you found me file, go OK, and then OK. Now what you'll notice is this is now underlined in blue and there's a link. So if I click that, go yes, because it's sometimes if someone else has set it up, it may take you somewhere. So just make sure it's your own. Go yes, and it's going to open that file for me. So it's a lot more convenient. Okay, the other way is, let's say I'm going to do a website, but I won't type www because that's going to set it up. So if I just say Google, right, and I do the same thing, I go link, and in the address I'm going to go Google, okay, go OK. Same thing, if I open this, it's going to open a browser, or it should open a browser. Don't embarrass me. Oh yeah, right? So again, really, really useful if you have things that you need to get to without actually having to physically set them all up and go there, like finding the file or opening a browser. It'll just do it all for you. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.